instructions I believe I followed on a new course. The one I showed online was a different one, and see what goes wrong on the process. So I have my LTI keys already set up in my wamap course, and I want to go to settings. This is the menu I see. I go to apps. I'm going to add my Open Math. I'm going to add the app, and this is the menu I get. It asks me for a consumer key, so I'm going to add here my consumer key, which I'm going to grab it from my class over here. This is the LTI, which is this one. I add it here. It's a new one. And I'm going to add my shared secret, which is a new one. I'm going to copy paste from over here. Okay. And I add up. So it asks me for those two pieces of information. And if I go now to my app configurations, it shows up here. And it does not have the launch URL. The shared secret is empty, and my domain is my Open Math. So this is what I guess I should change to wamap.org. This I should change to, I believe, is what you wanted me to put if I understand, www.wamap. Oh, let me copy it from the page better. I have it here. If I use the, I have the video opened over here. So I believe this is the one. Although this is something that I'm not sure, because it's a Canvas PHP, but there's also the other one that has something about launch, right? And that's something I'm not sure which one goes here, because my screens look different than the ones on the video that you have posted. So I'm putting right now the one that says Canvas PHP, and I go here, click submit. Oh, I didn't update the secret, so let me put that again. So I go here, and I do edit. Everything is there except the secret. It should be here already. It should be this guy. And I press submit. Okay. Now I have my wamap open on a different browser, so I think that prevents from some things happening. But let me go save my wamap key and secret. And I'm going to go to assignments. I want to add a new group just to put it outside. I want it to do online homework. And I want to add assignment inside here. I want to call it an external tool. Let me give it a name. And let me give you more options. And then if I go down here, I go to, did I do external tool? I think I did not. Let me cancel. So I'm going to go add an external tool, homework 1. I want more options. There you go. And now I can go why don't I see what I want? Sorry. External tool, more options. And something is not working because I don't see the menu for my external tool. here it is. There it is, sorry. I thought I had that. Okay, so now here, if I go to find, and I go to my open math, something's wrong. So my invalid consumer, my LTI is not configured correctly. Check your LTI key and secret. And I thought I had this right, because if I go to settings, as you saw, I have my app configurations this way. So I go to view app configurations, and I have this one here. Now maybe the menu is different because here it asks me the launch URL. So okay, so let's try with the other one, launch. So if I copy the one from this one, this is the one that I'm thinking might work because it has the word launch on it. So if I do this one, I copy again my secret, which is here, and submit. So everything is right. This is wamap.org, wamap.org. Okay. And now I can go to assignments. We try to do an assignment now. I want to do an external tool, do more options. Let me give it a name. So, external tool. I'm going to go for my open math. It's not working. So, something that I tried, and I don't know if this makes sense, is I typed the bit launch, the launch clip here, this one. And if I do this and I save, something happens. Now this doesn't make a lot of sense, but asking me to log in, right? So I'm going to log in here. Maybe that is my password. Let's save it. Save. And now it says, it gives me a message that I can, you can either do a full course placement, in which case all content recorded will be available on this placement, but no grades will be returned. Or you can place an individual assessment and grades are returned as reported. So I try this, and if I add homework from here, it happens, right? It shows up, it's here. I can go to the preview assessment, or I can go back to the apply home where I can have access to the settings and stuff. So I know this is the best workaround, but if this works, I can do this, but I'm worried that if later on these grades will be merged into the Canvas gradebook correctly, or something's not correct set up so that this way to do it would not work. So anyway, that's the only thing I found so far that kind of works. Again, if this doesn't work, I might go to the full course export, but I want to show you what's happening and what kind of setup I have, and probably others have on Canvas this quarter. Okay, thanks.